The Richland Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a 7-year-old autistic white male named Liam Hogan. He is 3 feet and 10 inches tall, weighs 70 pounds, has brown hair and blue eyes, and was last seen near the 1400 block of Farrell Lane in Richland, Washington, and he may not be wearing shoes. He is in the company of his sister, Emily Pyer, a 13-year-old female, is 5 feet tall, weighing 130 pounds, with blue eyes and brown hair with teal highlights. She is wearing knee-high black leather boots. Emily Pyer took her parents' vehicle without permission and left the residence. They may be traveling in a 2011 silver Chevrolet Equinox. Washington State License Plate BWM 7177. If you have information, please call the Richland Police Department at 509-531-6607 or call 911.